Captivated by your charm, even your smooth skin and breath are hot. Hidden feet. A silhouette that entangles your gaze, a body that shows off beautiful curves, a mysterious light in your eyes. You are irresistibly captivated by your charm, even your smooth skin and breath are hot. Hidden feelings overflow, the urge to gently touch you. Your presence bewilders reason. Throw off the veil of fascination, a bold figure that burns, a hot gaze that pierces you. It steals your heart, leaving a provocative smile, an elegant gesture that upsets the mind, a forbidden fruit, a sweet temptation. You are drowned in that charm. Leaving a provocative smile, an elegant gesture that upsets the mind, a forbidden fruit, a sweet temptation. You are drowned in that charm, a mysteriously shining accessory. Your bare skin tells a secret that makes you want to know more, the truth that lies deep within. Throw off the veil of fascination, a bold figure that burns, a hot gaze that pierces you. It pierces and steals your heart. You cast off the veil of fascination, a bold figure that burns, a hot gaze pierces and steals your heart. Hidden desires are released, you can't suppress your pounding heartbeat. A voice whispers in your ears that there's no point in resisting. You cast off the veil of fascination,